Hey guys, welcome back to Power Tool Week in Review. I'm Rob. We have breaking tool news.
Way back at Milwaukee's MPS-19, a year and a half ago, Milwaukee showed us a new tool that got the attention of a lot of our fans, only for it to disappear. But today, Milwaukee just announced it's finally here, and it's more expensive than you ever imagined. Let's go. This is the M18 FUEL Angler Poling Fish Tape. It's the world's first battery-powered interchangeable poling fish tape system. The fish tape wire puller's auto-run powered feed and retract system eliminates the need for manual poling tools and automatically reels the tape back into the drum for a cleaner job site. And I'm sure you've noticed the word fuel on the side, which of course means three things. One, it features a power state brushless motor that provides the ability to pull wire through a 200-foot run with 360 degrees of bends. Number two, the automatic wire puller is equipped with RedLink Plus intelligence to ensure maximum performance and protection from overload. And number three, it's powered by the Milwaukee M18 red lithium batteries that you likely already have in your truck. The new M18 FUEL Angler's most interesting feature is its easy to swap out drums, including a 100-foot non-conductive polyester tape, a 240-foot 1/8 inch steel tape, and a 120-foot 1/8 inch steel tape option as well. Now, if you guys have ever tried to use a fish tape through multiple bends, you know it's a very physical activity. This new powered solution is going to make cable fishing far easier and faster, which means less fatigue and more profit. So, when can you have it? The new system will finally arrive in February 2021, and it won't be cheap. The powered base will cost $369 all by itself. The steel tape cartridge will be $85 for the 120-foot and $115 for the 240-foot. The non-conductive polyester tape cartridge at 100 feet will cost $115 as well. But you can get them in kits with the steel tapes. The 120-foot kit will be $529, and the 240-foot kit will be $549.
To make sure you don't miss any Power Tool news, be sure to like and subscribe, and catch us this Friday for the Power Tool Week in Review.